Welcome back, my dear students. In the last class, we completed lesson 7. In this session, we are going to learn lesson 8, measurement. Before going to the lesson, I will give instruction about this chapter. Do you know what is measurement? Do you know? Measurement is the process of finding the size or quantity of some things. In our daily life itself, we are using measurement for measuring different items. Without measurement, we can't buy or sell any kind of measurable goods or things. Now, by the following examples, we'll understand the measurement concept. In our daily life, we are buying many kinds of goods. For example, if you are going to buy a chocolates, how do you buy the chocolates from the shop? You will buy in some quantities. For this, we are using measurement. Dear students, take page number 101 in your science book. Different instruments are used to find the size and quantity of different items or objects. Do you know? Name the instrument used to measure the following. Write the correct number in front of the images. Look at the picture given in your science book. What is the first picture denotes? The first picture denotes the capacity of the container. This container is used for measuring milk, oil, etc. The first picture match number 3, capacity of a container. What is the second picture denotes? The second picture denotes the length of a cloth. Second picture match number 1, length of a cloth. What is the third picture denotes? Third picture is a weighing balance. So this picture match weight of apples. So in the first picture, the first box, you write down number 3. In the second box, you write down number 1. And the third box, you write down number 2. Next, turn the next page. Now let's learn history of measurement. What is measurement? Measurement is the process of finding the size or quantity of something. In early times, people used different body parts such as the hand and the palm to measure length. Some of the measures used in ancient times were handspan, cubit and fathom. Look at the picture given. However, the length of the various body parts differ from person to person. Therefore, people realized the need to have fixed quantities to measure things. A fixed quantity that is used as a standard of measurement is called a unit. Look at the picture in page number 102. The first picture denotes a handspan. Second picture denotes a cubit. Third picture denotes a fathom. The first picture, the length between the tip of the thumb and the tip of the little finger of a fully opened palm is called a handspan. The next picture, the length between the tip of the middle finger and the elbow is called a cubit. The third picture, a fathom is the length of outstretched arms. Now, let us learn about some units of measurement. Understand? Now, let us learn about some units of measurement. First, let's see measurement of length. Look at the picture given. This is a measuring tape. The measuring tape is used to measure smaller length. Length is the size or measurement of an object from its one end to another. Meter rule and measuring tape are some instrument used for measuring length. The standard unit used to measure length is meter. Millimeter, centimeter and meter are used to measure smaller lengths. Smaller lengths are measured by using millimeter, centimeter and meter. For example, length of a pencil or a cloth piece. Next, the longer lengths are measured by kilometer. For example, the distance between your school and your home will be measured in kilometers. Next, the units of length can be changed from one to another. For example, 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. 1000 meters equal to 1 kilometer. This is a unit of length. Next one, measurement of mass. Look at the picture given in page number 103. This is a weighing balance. A weighing balance is used to measure mass. Mass tells us how heavy or light an object is. A beam balance or weighing balance is an instrument to measure mass. Which instrument is used to measure mass? Do you know? Which instrument is used to measure mass? A beam balance or weighing balance is an instrument to measure mass. The standard unit used to measure mass is kilogram. Milligram and gram are used to measure smaller mass. Smaller mass are measured by milligram and gram. Kilogram is used to measure largest mass, like that of a big bag of potatoes or the mass of a person. The larger mass is measured by kilogram and the smaller mass is measured by milligram and gram. The units of mass can be changed from one to another. For example, 1000 milligrams equal to 1 gram. 1000 grams equal to 1 kilogram. The mass are measured by using a weighing balance. Next, let's see measurement of capacity. Capacity of a container is the amount of liquid it can hold. A measuring cylinder is an instrument used to measure capacity. A capacity is measured by a measuring cylinder. The standard unit used to measure capacity is liter. Milliliter and liter are used to measure smaller capacity such as water in a bottle. Are you seeing the water bottle? Yes. Milliliter and liter are used to measure smaller capacities such as water in a bottle. Kiloliter is used to measure larger capacity like that of a big tank of water. Look at the picture. Are you seeing the water tank in your home? Yes. Kiloliter is used to measure larger capacity like that of a big tank of water. Milliliter and liter are used to measure smaller capacity. Smaller capacities are only measured by milliliter and liter. Example, water in a bottle. And the kiloliter is used to measure larger capacities. Larger capacities are measured by kiloliter. For example, big tank of water. The units of capacity can be changed from one to another. For example, 1000 milliliters equal to 1 liter. 1000 liters equal to 1 kiloliter. Next, let's see measurement of time. What is time? The period between two events is called time. Which instrument is used to measure time? Look at the picture given. This is a clock. A clock or a watch is an instrument used to measure time. Some of the units used to measure times are second, minute and hour. The units of time can be changed from one to another. For example, 60 seconds equal to 1 minute and 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. measurement of temperature in page number 104. Do you know what is temperature? Temperature is the measure of how hot or cold an object is. Which instrument is used to measure temperature? Thermometer is an instrument used to measure temperature. What are the two types of thermometer? Do you know what are the two types of thermometer? There are two types of thermometer: clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. The units are used to measure temperature are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Look at the picture. This is a thermometer used to measure temperature. Doctors use a thermometer to measure the temperature of a patient who has fever. Dear students, today in this session we completed lesson 8. Write down the homework, read lesson 8. Thank you, dears.